Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to connect an Xfinity pod. First, make sure your Xfinity gateway is fully activated and not in bridge mode, as pods require a working gateway. Next, download the Xfinity app from your App Store and sign in with your Xfinity ID. Finally, enable Bluetooth on your mobile device. This helps the app find your pod quickly during the setup process. For optimal performance, plug your Xfinity pod directly into an active electrical outlet, ensuring it's not controlled by a wall switch. Position the pod roughly halfway between your Xfinity gateway and any areas experiencing weak Wi-Fi signals. Remember to keep the pod visible and avoid placing it behind large furniture, metal objects, or appliances, as these can interfere with the Wi-Fi signal. To activate your pod, open the Xfinity app and go to the Account or Devices section. Select Activate Wi-Fi Boost Pods and tap Get Started. The app will guide you through the process. Hold your phone within 6 to 8 inches of the pod to ensure a successful connection. Once connected, you will be prompted to name each pod, which helps you identify them later. If your pod isn't connecting, try unplugging it from the outlet for about 10 seconds, then plug it back in. If issues persist, reboot your Xfinity gateway by unplugging it for 30 seconds and then plugging it back in. Use the Xfinity app to check the pod's connection point and details. If you've tried these steps and still have problems, contact Xfinity support for further assistance.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.